Welcome back to our English listening practice series. Today we have an exciting session prepared for you. But before we dive into the conversation, make sure you're ready to sharpen your listening skills. Grab a notepad and pen, or use your favorite note-taking app because we've got a stimulating conversation coming up with 5 questions to test your understanding. Let's start our conversation.
Hey Chantel, what do you do on the weekend?
On the weekend, I wake up and first I make breakfast.
Oh, what do you make?
I like to make toast.
All right. I often eat toast too.
Do you put butter on your toast?
I do. I put butter and jam.
Ooh, I love butter and jam on my toast.
Do you eat cereal?
No, I used to, but not anymore.
Yeah, on the weekend, I don't eat cereal. On the weekend, I cook a nice breakfast, but I eat cereal during the week. What else do you do on the weekend?
Let's see. After I eat breakfast, I clean the kitchen and make my bed. What about you?
I also clean my house. I clean my rooms. I vacuum. I wash the windows. I wash the dishes. I do my laundry. I do that on Saturday, but on Sunday, I have fun.
And what do you do for fun?
I go to the park. I play sports. I play soccer at the park. Sometimes I ride my bike. Sometimes I go hiking. I do lots on Sunday. On Sunday, I relax. I don't study, I don't work, and I don't clean my house.
Nice.
What do you do on Sunday?
I also enjoy my time on Sunday. I really like to meet my friends, and sometimes we go to festivals or visit new cities, and we eat a lot of really good food.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yes. Actually, we also really enjoy camping. Do you like camping?
I love camping. I love the outdoors. I go hiking often.
Oh, me too.
Oh, that's cool. What about Sunday evening?
Oh, Sunday evening, I relax. I cook a big dinner and I listen to music and sometimes I read my book. But often I go to sleep very early on Sunday.
Oh, wow.
And you?
Well, on Sunday, I don't cook. I usually order food. I order pizza, or maybe I eat at a restaurant. And then later in the evening, on Sunday, I always watch TV. So my favorite TV show is on Sunday night.
And what's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is called Billions.
Billions?
Yeah, it's about money and power in New York. It's very interesting.
Nice. Maybe I should watch it.
Oh, you should, but you go to bed early.
Yes, around 9 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can see it.
Okay.
Hey Todd, what is your hometown?
My hometown is San Francisco.
Oh, nice. Is your town beautiful?
Yes, San Francisco is very beautiful. It has a nice view of the ocean.
Sounds nice. Is your town clean?
It's pretty clean. Sometimes it's dirty. Some places are dirty, but usually the city is clean.
Oh. Is San Francisco dangerous?
No, it's not too dangerous. Sometimes we have crime, but it's safe.
Great. Is your town expensive?
Yes, San Francisco is very expensive. Everything is expensive. Food is expensive. Housing is expensive. Shopping is expensive. Everything.
Oh, really? Is San Francisco famous?
Yes, it's very famous. In America, it's famous for its bridge. We have the Golden Gate Bridge. It's the world's most famous bridge, I think.
I know that bridge. Is your town hot?
Never. San Francisco is never hot. It's never super cold, but it's never hot. It's always warm or cool.
Sounds great. Is San Francisco interesting?
I think so. It's a very interesting city. We have people from everywhere, and we have good food. We have nature nearby, and we have interesting buildings.
Wow, I'd like to go there.
Ooh, you should. What about your city? What's your city?
My city is Chicago.
Ooh, Chicago, Chicago. Is your city beautiful?
Yes, it's very beautiful with lots of tall buildings and a big lake.
Ooh, nice. Is Chicago clean?
Some parts of Chicago are clean and other parts are a little dirty.
How about dangerous? Is Chicago dangerous?
Similarly, some parts are dangerous and some parts are safe.
Yeah, San Francisco is the same. I think every American city is the same.
I think that's true.
Most places are safe, but some places are dangerous.
Right.
Is Chicago expensive?
Yes, because it's such a big city, almost everything is expensive.
Oh,
Food, attractions, parking, entertainment, everything.
sounds like San Francisco.
I think so. A little similar.
Is it hot?
It can be hot in the summer. Usually July or August, it gets hot sometimes.
Is it interesting?
Yes, of course. Chicago is very interesting. We have many museums and things to do, and we also have nature. At the lake, you can go and enjoy the day on the beach.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is Chicago by the ocean?
It's not by the ocean. It's by a really big lake called Lake Michigan. What about San Francisco? Is it by the ocean?
Yes, San Francisco is on the ocean. It's on the Pacific Ocean.
Right.
So we have really nice beaches.
Do you like the beach?
I do, but the beaches in San Francisco are a little cold.
Oh.
In Los Angeles, they're warm. But Los Angeles is not interesting, and it's expensive, and it's not
Right.
beautiful,
Right.
so I don't like Los Angeles.
So we should stick with San Francisco.
Or Chicago.
Yeah.
That's all for today's English listening practice. I hope you found this session helpful and enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on your listening skills, and you'll see improvement in no time. Don't forget to review your notes and answers. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and take care.